Making a key to it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is it? Which one?
13.
This one here?
Yep.
All right, I'll just make you a key then. So the last tenant never returned the key, is that what it was?
Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, the post office said they're like 3 weeks out to switch anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, ridiculous.
Yeah.
Real life saving.
I thought Canadian.
Oh, now.
Yeah. Minnesota, maybe. That's why. Yeah. You guys are close enough.
Close with the mortgage.
Yep. All right, we're going to keep this down. See how I did. Uh-oh. There we go. It's a lot of deep cuts. I wasn't in all the way the first time I tried to stick the key in. All right, if you use it a couple times, it'll work really good. I'll fix you a spare, okay?
All right.
How many do you want? One more, two more?
2 more, please.
Okay.